I made my own robot. Look, it cleans the wall, this cleans the floor. And you can make it so this cleans the floor too. But, see, they're both cleaning the floor. Oh, but they fall off sometimes. And you have to put them back on, and it can go back to doing this. Okay, that's the end of our soap tonight, everybody. So, have a nice day.